Hello everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through how to clean the vacuum head of the Dyson DC35. So it's this thing. It's a great vacuum, you know, don't need to plug it in, it's portable, all of that. But if you've got a lot of hair in the house, this is going to happen. I don't know if you can see that. It gets all twisted up in there. So from time to time, you're going to want to clean this out. Okay, so step one, look on the side here, there's kind of this lock thing. It's pointing down to unlock. So you just take a normal flathead screwdriver, gently unlock it like that. What you're gonna wanna do is unscrew these two screws right here. And you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver for that. And once that is unscrewed, you know, this thing will just pop off like that. And you can see all of this dust and debris come flying out. That's gonna get caught up in there. So once that lock thing is unlocked, what you can actually do is you can kind of jostle this a little bit, push it out, kind of comes out, and you can just pull it out like that. See? A little bit of elbow grease, but you can actually just pull this brush out. And there you have it. All of the hair and dust and whatever that's wrapped up in there. And now you can clean it. For me, I use scissors here. See, you just kind of cut it like that. And you can take an entire chunk out just like that. That's so weird, so gross, huh? Careful, careful. Once it's all clean, however clean you want it, in theory you could put it back the way you had it and you'd be done. But one thing I would recommend doing is you look inside this rotor right here. This is where a lot of hair actually does get wrapped up in it and affects how well it's able to rotate. What I've found is you actually want to take that part out because under there's going to be another coil of hair. It's not a conventional screw that keeps it in, so you want to use one of these. It's a 6-point screw head. I don't know if you can see that very well there. It's labeled in this very cheap toolkit that I have as T10. Okay, so you just screw that out. Okay, just takes a little bit of elbow grease to pull that thing out. It's a lot easier to get this hair out, and see, this is what I'm talking about. Somehow there's always a coil of hair that gets in there. Okay, so once you've done that, and you can kind of see it's so much cleaner, there's no hair left in there, this is when you can just put it all back together. First things first, you're gonna wanna fit that back in there, and then we'll just get that screw back in there. Take this, obviously that side goes in with the rotator, so you just thread it through there, lock this back, okay, back to a locking position, and then you put this back on, and you're done. Once you're all done, obviously it's time for the final test. Just what you're looking for is that starts to rotate, and if it does, you did it right. Just like that. Beautiful, isn't it?